Hi, my name is Jim Grange and welcome to Statistics Without Fear. I'm an associate professor in cognitive psychology at a university based in the United Kingdom, and I have over 15 years' experience teaching research methods and statistics to undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD students. So I'm very familiar with the feeling of fear that many of you will have whilst learning statistics. The purpose of my channel is to try and help reduce this fear and maybe even convince you that learning statistics can be an enjoyable experience. In my tutorials, I focus on the practical side of statistical analysis, showing you how to use a variety of software tools such as SPSS and free software like JASP and the programming language called R. Along the way, I'll share some theory-based tutorials focusing on understanding statistical concepts more deeply, but the emphasis of all of my tutorials will be on getting you up to speed as quickly as possible with the essentials of statistical analysis. If at any time you have any questions or requests for future videos, please pop a comment in the comment section, which I'll routinely monitor and help wherever I can. Alternatively, please visit my academic website for contact details. So whether you're an undergraduate, postgraduate, or just somebody interested in data and data analysis, I really hope that you find these videos useful.